Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem TechBD.
How do I restore a corrupt file? File corruption is a common issue for Windows users, often striking unexpectedly when you are saving, accessing, or working with files, and it can be triggered by a variety of factors. Whether you're dealing with crucial work documents, cherished photos, or vital system files, file corruption can pose a challenge. There are many tools available online that can help repair the corrupted files. But Wondershare Repair It is a professional tool that uses a completely safe algorithm that extracts data even from the most corrupted documents. This computer software is specially designed to help users repair and restore important data files that have gone through different kinds of corruption, such as recovered files are not opening, recovered files with blank contents, etc. It boasts a high recovery rate and can restore even the most severely damaged files. The repair tool has an online and desktop version and supports a wide range of file formats. One common cause of file corruption is hardware issues, like failing hard drives or faulty RAM, which can result in stored files being written or read incorrectly. Additionally, power outages or sudden system crashes during file operations can also lead to corruption since the data may not be fully written or retrieved. Software-related factors also play a significant role in file corruption. Viruses, malware, and other malicious software can corrupt files by altering their content. Moreover, improper software installations, updates, or uninstalls can disrupt file associations and result in corruption.
If you have any problem, you can comment us. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.